welcome back to my channel. I am back finally, and I am ready to give you guys some more content slash videos. However, today we have a get ready with me slash gym makeup tutorial. I know a lot of you beautiful girls do not need makeup to go to the gym. However, there are some of us that do like a little pep to our step, just a little something, a little motivation per se. Just keep watching and see what I do every day before I usually go to the gym. Focus or not. I have the new Jehovah. It's from CVS. It's new. It is their cushion. Again, when I go to the gym, I want to look like I'm not wearing makeup. Maybe I can like convince the old man next to me on the elliptical, like, hello, I'm here and I'm naturally this beautiful. So next we're gonna go in with our Wet n Wild light concealer. This is the Photo Focus. I know a lot of people say this is a dupe for Tarte. I'm a mother of a 1-year-old, and we just found out she does not like to stay in a hotel. I think it's just too exciting for her. Too exciting. So next I have this Neutrogena. It's Shine Control Powder. I've been using this since pretty much high school. I'm going to set my under eye, but I'm also going to go over my T-zone with this as well. It's funny how drugstore, like, you have your ride or die from forever. So again, I'm just kind of setting it all over, hoping it will last through some sweat and tears, because I'll be crying because I hate working out. Was I telling you guys I'm more of a lifter slash power lifter? Getting into it after I've been training a little bit with my trainer Mark, who is thebomb.com, phenomenal guy. He motivates me and pushes me to do better and be stronger because he feels like everyone should be healthy and strong, which amen. Anyways, I'm going to bronze myself up with just some NYX. This is matte, but it is medium. And just my Morphe Big Fluff. But he's obviously, like, he's changed my life by making me want to feel strong and go to the gym and get my butt there. I do have a little bit of gym anxiety. So when I go to the gym, I have this anxiety about how everyone's looking at you, and you don't know. Find someone that you love on Instagram, pick them, like, follow them, watch how they're doing the movements, and if you're doing the same thing in that mirror, you're doing it right, sister. So don't be nervous, don't get scared, don't freak yourself out, because the only thing that's going to do is make it so that you're not making it to the gym, which is not benefiting you. Be fearless, be strong. That's what Tiff said. Obviously, you can go to the gym every day, or you can go to the gym. Normally, I go 3 to 4 times a week. However, that's never going to take away the fact that I have a bad diet. So I'm never going to be skinny. I'm never going to be a size 0, 4, 6 even. I'm always going to be around 8, 10, 11, 12. That's okay with me, because that's just the lifestyle that I've chose as a mom, as a wife. That's what keeps me healthy and happy. If you want to go crazy on your diet and you think you can do it, that's amazing. You do it, because honestly, it takes a lot of discipline. Woo! Okay. The dogs just barked, and I think they might have woke up Haley, who is my daughter. But anyways, let's go on. Let's hurry. Okay, hurrying up through this so that we don't wake up my daughter Haley, who is 1 and just went to sleep. This is my go-to mascara. It like literally clumps my lashes like no other. Clinique High Impact Extreme Volume. It's green and silver. My Milani eyeshadow, and this is in dark brown. An easy way that I fill in my brows, I just fill them in like this. I'll fast forward. All right, I'm back. I did the brows up. I do a very hard, harsh brow. Yes, I know. I've been told this. I love it. Do what you want. It's your makeup. It's your face. So I finished up my brows, and I'm going to put some Bliss Tech on my lips just to help them. It is cold out. Crappy weather. And it gets some of the like extra foundation, if there is any on your lips, off. Long story short, we just did a quick little light BB cushion foundation just to cover up a little bit of our redness. Then we used matte bronzer, shine control, a little bit of under eyes. But for the most part, very light drugstore makeup for the gym is a go. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video and it's something that you like to watch. I am going to do a little bit of mixture of different kinds of videos. A lot of the times I have to film at night because my daughter's sleeping. I wouldn't even mind doing some vlogs with my daughter Haley and I. So if you would like some of those, leave a comment. I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be back. It feels really good. And I think it's going to be great being back just in time for the holiday season. So I'm going to end this by putting my cap on. Also, this shirt is Fabletics, but I always wear a hat because I'm going to sweat and my hair always gets very frizzy and I look a hot mess. So a hat, you can kind of hide your like crazy faces while you're lifting, keeps your hair kind of in place. So I hope you liked it. Bye.